Ushio lamps are NEC certified lamps. This process may only be performed by qualified technical service personnel. When replacing the lamp, also replace the air filter. When handling lamps, wear a protective mask which guards your face and neck, protective gauntlets, and garment. The tools needed for lamp replacement are a 5mm ball driver, a Phillips screwdriver, a 3mm ball driver, and a 17mm socket wrench. Prepare the protective cover before removing a lamp. Note the lamp bulb and reflector operation time on the menu on the main unit display. Turn off the projector. The lamp cover is very dangerous during operation. Wait until the lamp has cooled to room temperature to avoid burns. Wait long enough for the lamp valve to cool after the lamp is turned off and the fan stops, and check that the lamp and lamp cover have cooled sufficiently before proceeding. Open the rear panel of the main unit. Use the attached key. Loosen the 4 lamp cover spring screws. Remove the cover. Pull the cover glass toward you and remove it. Write down the lamp bulb operation time on the lamp replacement time label on the lamp cover. Use a socket wrench to remove the screw securing the core wire from the lamp bulb on the outlet side in order to remove the lead cable from the lamp house. Use the ball driver to loosen the hexagon socket head cap screws on the lamp bulb connecting unit. Remove the lamp bulb from the lamp bulb connecting unit by holding both metal parts of the bulb. Make sure not to hit the reflector or lamp cover. Do not touch the glass section of the lamp or the reflector mirror. Put the removed lamp into the protective cover. Lock the cover and put it into the dedicated box. Ensure that the lamp's cathode electrode is on the side of the packaging box marked up. Remove the new lamp from its box. Insert the lamp into the connecting position. Tighten the hexagon screw on the lamp connecting unit. During this procedure, make sure the lamp does not move and that there is no space between the connecting part and the lamp. On the outlet side, tighten the lead cable screws using the socket wrench. Make sure the lead cable is not in contact with the lamp cover and that the lead cable does not project from behind the screw. Put the cover glass back in place. Match the top mark and the arrow. Put the lamp cover back in place. Put the rear cover back in place. Turn on the projector and lamp. Hold the menu button down for several seconds. Type in the password to switch to the advanced user mode. Press the menu button. When the configuration screen appears, press the down button. When the screen shows lamp setup, press the right button until the word installation is displayed. Keep pressing the down button to display option slot. Then press the right button to display new bulb. Press the down button to display entry select. Keep pressing the right button until the word cert code is displayed. Press the down button. Then type in the certificate code written on the attached certificate sheet. After entering the code, press the Enter button. Press the Enter button. Press the Enter button. When the display shows this screen, the setting process has been completed. Lastly, adjust the light axis. This completes the replacement process.